Okay, so food's getting a little scarce around here with the blizzard or 2022 storm. So we're just gonna put on some carrot steaks here, add a little avocado oil, and I'll put some honey on there too. That sounds good. And how about some Northwood seasonings, Penzies. Sounds good too. And you know what? How about we do this? Let's add a can of whole potatoes. Carrot steaks and potatoes. And we're going in. Ooh! Carrot steaks and potatoes on a scarce resources. Woo! During the 2022 blizzard storm and driving ban. Can't get any food, so we're having carrot sticks and potatoes. Yum. Thanks for watching.